Today, we're looking at the VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses, a device that basically turns your everyday viewing into a private, cinema-like experience right in front of your eyes. But instead of just hype, let's break down what this actually delivers in real-world use, focusing on the features and specs that matter. The first thing you'll notice is the virtual display. These glasses project what feels like a 152-inch screen in front of you using Sony micro-OLED panels. The resolution is 1920 by 1200 per eye, which is not true 4K, but in practice it looks very sharp, especially for movies, videos, and gaming. The 120 Hz refresh rate is a big advantage here because it makes motion look smooth and reduces strain when you're watching fast content or playing games. This is one of the key areas where the Luma Pro stands out compared to older XR glasses. Brightness is another strong point. With up to 1,000 nits, the display stays visible even in brighter environments, which is important if you're using it during the day or near windows. Combined with a 52-degree field of view, the image feels wide enough to be immersive without feeling overwhelming. Colors look rich and contrast is strong, which is expected from micro-OLED technology, and this helps a lot when watching high-quality video content. One feature that makes these glasses more than just a screen is the ability to convert 2D content into 3D in real time. This means you're not limited to special 3D files. You can take regular videos or supported apps and experience them with added depth. It doesn't replace native 3D content completely, but it does add another layer of immersion that many users find enjoyable. Comfort and usability have also been clearly considered. The glasses support myopia adjustment up to -4.0D, so some users won't need prescription inserts. There are adjustable nose pads and different fit options, which help when wearing them for longer sessions. The design is lightweight and modern, making them easier to use in everyday situations without feeling too bulky. Audio is handled through built-in speakers tuned with Harman technology. The sound is directional, so you can hear clearly without completely blocking the outside world. It's not the same as high-end headphones, but it's convenient and works well for casual use, especially when you're traveling or don't want extra devices. Another important point is compatibility. These glasses can connect to a wide range of devices, including smartphones, laptops, PCs, and some gaming systems. This flexibility makes them more practical because you're not locked into a single ecosystem. Whether you want to watch content, play games, or mirror your screen, the setup is relatively straightforward depending on your device. Now, to keep things realistic, this product is not perfect. While it works very well for media consumption and gaming, it's not ideal for long sessions of detailed text work like coding or heavy document editing. Some users mention that features like spatial tracking depend on software and may not feel fully polished. These are not deal breakers, but they are worth knowing before buying. When you look at customer feedback on Amazon, the overall impression is positive. Many users highlight the sharp image quality, strong brightness, and the big screen anywhere experience as the main reasons they enjoy using it. Comfort and adjustability also get good feedback. On the other hand, some users mention that the ecosystem is still evolving and that certain features could be more refined. A few also note that it takes some time to get used to the display positioning and overall experience. So, who is this really for? If you watch a lot of movies, travel frequently, or want a portable private display for gaming, this makes a lot of sense. It's a device that focuses on delivering a strong visual experience in a compact form, and in that area, it performs very well. If you want to see the latest price, full specifications, and read more real customer reviews, check the link in the description below. It will give you a better idea if this is the right fit for your needs before you make a decision.